Hello student, welcome to my channel Point 91. Today we study most important question for SSCL exam. Let's see the first question. What is the name of process of finishing the drilled hole? A. Spot facing, B. Reaming, C. Counter boring, D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Reaming. Next question. What is the angle of counter sinking for riveting? What is the angle of counter sinking for riveting? A 75 degree, B 80 degree, C 90 degree. Correct answer is A 75 degree. Very most important question. What is the product of octane flame blast furnace? What is the product obtained from blast furnace? A. Pig iron, B. Cast iron, C. Wrought iron, D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Pig iron. Next question. Which decided the point angle of drill? Which decided the point angle of drill? Drill material, job material, size of drill. Correct answer is B. Job material. This is very important question. Which indicate the strength of bond in grinding wheel? Very important question. Which indicate the strength of bond in grinding wheel? Structure, grid, grade, grain size. The correct answer is C. Grade. Next question. What is the name of vice? What is the name of vice? Pipe vice, hand vice, pin vice. Correct answer is B. Hand vice. What is the angle of Acme thread? This is very important question. What is the angle of Acme thread? 66 degree, 55 degree, 29 degree, 80 degree. Correct answer is C. 29 degree. Next question. How the size of drill bit is measured? How the size of drill bit is measured? Between the wave, between the lengths, neck diameter. Correct answer the B. Between the lengths. Next question. 9th. What we denote in grinding wheel specification 32A 46H8V. So what we denote? A. Bond, B. Abrasive, C. Grade, D. None. Correct answer is A. Bond. Next question. What is the term used for relationship exist between two mating parts? What is the term used for relationship exist between two mating parts? A. Allowance, B. Tolerance, C. Limit, D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Allowance. Next question. What is the least count of vernier micrometer? Everybody know. What is the least count of vernier micrometer? 0.02 mm, 0.01 mm, 0.002 mm, and none of these. Correct answer is 0.01 mm. Next question. What is the name of portion between root and crest? What is the name of portion between root and crest of the thread? Root, flank, depth, none of these. Correct answer is B. flank. Every question very important. What is the unit of cutting speed in turning? What is the unit of cutting speed in turning? Mm per second, meter per second, meter per minute, none of these. Correct answer is C. Meter per minute. Next question. How many types bed way are in central lathe machine? How many type of bed way are in central lathe machine? 2 type bed, 3, 5, none of these. Correct answer is 3 type bed. 3 type. Next question. Which come under mechanical operation hazard? Which comes under mechanical operation hazard? Noise, toxic, unguarded machinery, none of these. Correct answer is C. Unguarded machine. Student, this is the 15 most important question for SSCL exam. So thank you very much.